everyone, it's Charity with the Bookin' Room. I just wanted to give you a quick video on a junk journal that I made for my son. He is 11 and I made it with a paper pad from Michael's called the Whiskey Barrel, and I also used Genevieve's Wanderlust templates to make this folio with. I love her templates. I printed them and then I just traced them onto paper that I want to use. This is a great paper pad for doing more masculine projects with. And a lot of these papers are shiny. They're really nice. So here's just a quick flip through of some of the pages in there. And I will show you his little junk journal. I used some faux leather to bind it. I wanted it to be kind of like an old world, I don't know, briefcase looking thing. I didn't want it too girly for him. And Emma's coming to visit us. Hi, Emma Lemma. Okay, watch out, honey. So here is the folio, and there's all kinds of different pockets and flips and flaps, and I left it kind of just raw on the inside. Again, wanted to go with just an old feeling for him for his journal. He's kind of like an old soul. This has a magnetic closure with some index cards in there for him to color on, write on, add whatever he wants, some kind of stickers. He did tell me that the first thing he wants to write in his journal are the names of all of our cats. Well, we have a lot of them because we do rescue, and a lot of our fosters end up being foster failures for different reasons. They have health issues or whatever, so we end up keeping a lot of them. Here's a pocket here. Here's a little flip tab here that tucks behind his envelope. And here are some more little tags. Again, these are from Genevieve's Wanderlust sets. I believe I mixed the large and the medium templates. Here's some more of those index cards. What I did here was I made it as a book. So he's got a little book, and I put a bunch of just odds and ends little papers in there so he can add right color. I bound it with some jute and put it back in the pocket for him. This is just blank. I didn't want to add too many embellishments because, again, I just wanted to keep it kind of simple and boyish for him. I tend to get a little crazy with embellishments. Some more little tags. This is paper that I stained myself and just used my sewing machine to make some pockets for him. Some bigger pages. Here is a little notebook I made with a bunch of little pieces of copy paper that I had stained and just made into a little book for him. Put that in there. Not really sure what purpose the paper clip serves, but it was black and it matched, so in it went. You know how we do sometimes. There's another pocket there. And another tag. Again, these are all Genevieve templates. Here's a pocket. And this has a little flip in there. And then here's a pocket here. This is a magnetic closure that opens. And this is a little tuck spot so he can put some little notes in there too if he'd like. And then the back has a pocket. And I just used fabric tack and glued it right onto the faux leather. It's not centered. You're probably wondering why this is there. But that's because when you look at it from the top, I wanted to make sure there was room and it actually covered those tags. And I just made a little hole for him to keep his pen. I am going to part with one of my Sharpies for him. I love my Sharpies. And then I just used some simple Velcro. Again, just wanted to keep it simple for him. And that was it. I hope you like the boy junk journal I made for him. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. I can also do a tutorial if you would like some step-by-step instructions on how I made this. I can do one of those as well. If you're interested, just let me know and I can put one together. So as always, be kind to one another. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.